Hello, Miss Jocelina Makashev. Will you please introduce yourself?
Hello ma'am, good morning. My name is Jocelina Armakashev. I'm 39 years old. I'm high school graduate, married but I don't have baby. I'm working in Saudi Arabia for 11 years,
Taking care of?
taking care of 3 adults, 9 years old and 14 years old and 19 years old and 22 years old.
Do you have pet there?
Yes, I have 2 pet bird.
Okay, what time will you wake up and what time will you sleep when you are working in Saudi?
I wake up for 4 a.m. and I go to sleep for 11 p.m.
You are the only one helper there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.